Hello viewers, we had learned three methods of valuation in last lecture, but now in this lecture we have to discuss three more methods of valuation. The fourth one method is development method of valuation. At times some underdeveloped or undeveloped property is bought and developed and then offered for sale. The valuation in this case would depend on initial investment, development cost, and expected profit. Question number first is based on development method of valuation. A colonizer intends to purchase a land of 1 lakh square meter area located in the suburb of a big city to develop it into plots of 700 square meter each. After providing necessary roads, parks and other amenities, the current sale price of small plots in the neighborhood is rupees 30 per square meter. The colonizer wants to net profit of rupees of 20%. Work out the maximum price of the land at which the colonizer may purchase the land. Assume any other suitable data. Now, as given, the total area of land is 1 lakh square kilometer. Deduction for road and parks are generally taken as 30% of the total land area. So deduction for road is park is approximately there is 30,000 square meter. Net area for plotting is around 70,000 square meter. Therefore, number of plots comes out to be 100. In question, the selling price for per square meter is given as 30. Therefore, one plot selling price comes out to be 21,000. Total selling price from sale of all plots is 21 lakhs. Now there is some deduction for develop the area. First is cost of improving land leveling and dressing. It is taken as 25,000 rupees. Then providing drainage, water supply, metal road, electrification charge, all are cost around 3 lakhs. Engineers and architects fees is around 3% of sale price, that means 63,000. Other miscellaneous expenses are taken as 1% on price, and it is the colonizer profit is also considered in expenses, which is given in the question as 20% on the basis of sale price. That means so the total expenditure comes out to be 8,29,000. Maximum price of land in the undeveloped stage is 12,71,000. Maximum rate of purchase per square meter comes out to be 12.71 rupees per square meter. The colonizer may purchase the whole land at the rate of rupees 12.71 per square meter for a total amount of rupees 12.71 lakhs. Next, fifth method is depreciation method of valuation. According to this method, the depreciated value of a building is calculated directly. With the help of a formula given. In this formula, the D is depreciation value of building, P is the cost of building at present market rate, RD is fixed percentage of depreciation. By depreciation method of valuation, the value of building structure only may be determined. To calculate total valuation of the property, the cost of land as per present market rate, cost of water supply, sanitation and electrification shall be added to the valuation of building structure. The value of RD for different life of building is as given below. If a building having a life of 100 years, then the value of RD is taken as 1. If building having a life of say 75 years, then the value of RD is taken as 1.3. And similarly for 20 years, the value of RD is taken as 5.0. Now next, depreciation method of valuation. Question number 2, what is the present value of property having a land area of 270 square meter and plinth area is 200? First of all, we have to calculate new cost of building, including all fitting at present. That means plinth area multiplied by present rate of plinth area, that is given as 400. So the new cost of building is calculated as 80,000 rupees. Now depreciation value of a building. Now we assume the life of building as 100 years, so the RD value is 1. Therefore depreciation value of building is rupees 62,240 rupees. And again, if we assume the cost of land per square meter as 150, that therefore the cost of land comes out to be 40,500 rupees. Hence the valuation property is depreciation value plus cost of land, that is 102,740 rupees. Now the last method of valuation is comparison method of valuation. This method consists of ascertaining the capitalized value of a property by direct comparison with capitalized value of adjoining properties. This method is adopted when the particulars of sale of a few adjoining properties are available. These properties should be similar, transactions are to be new and normal. Details of each property is known. And there is exercise for practice. In the next lecture, we will be discuss about the rent fixation. So until goodbye and thank you.